I'm Jenny with CocoaDaisy, and in this video, we're unboxing the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and Stationery Kit from the September 2026 Marigold and Honey collection. Let's take a look at the Marigold and Honey Journaling Kit. This is a wonderful kit because it contains items that are all fairly low profile. So that means that if you don't like a lot of bulk on your pages, this may be the kit for you, because we have vellum stickers, rub-on transfers, and washi tape. And they're all beautiful and very decorative, but they don't add a lot of bulk. So first up is this sheet of rub-on transfers, and you can see it also includes days of the week and then a couple of headers. Then we also have another sheet of rub-on transfers that are lots of decorative elements and then some other headers or reminders. And this is our set of vellum stickers. Our vellum stickers are a little bit thinner than the traditional sticker paper. So if you are concerned with bulk, or if you just prefer the look of them, you definitely want to check these out. So you can see here there are a lot of different stickers included. So we have a decorative sticker sheet, and then we have these that look like torn edges or corners. You can see there's lots of different patterns, and yeah, they're just really, really lovely stickers. Then we have a sheet that includes dates and the days of the week, and then a couple of labels. We have a sheet of alphabet stickers. And then this is a full sheet, so you can just peel the corner off and use it as it is, or you can cut it up or use a metal die to cut it. Lots of different options there. And then last but not least, we have this sheet of decorative stickers that has some different phrases and some different images, and then also some washi type strips. Also included is a decorative card that on the back, it also includes some journaling prompts. So there's 10 different prompts to help you with, jump-starting your mind, or if, you just need a little nudge, or if that's just what you want to use all month long for your journaling. And then last but not least in this kit is a roll of washi tape. And you can see here it includes a bunch of different color little medallions and then little geometric design as well. It's very usable and lovely. It's just a wonderful washi to go with the rub-on transfers and the vellum stickers. So this is the Marigold and Honey Journaling Kit. And if you would like to see project ideas, photos, or digital renderings of the kit, you can check that out on our website. Now it's time for our Marigold and Honey Deluxe Journaling Kit. The Deluxe Journaling Kit comes in this heavy plastic folder that includes a Velcro closure, and it also has gusseted sides, and so it makes it wonderful for including lots of supplies or just a handful, and then also using it for other items when your kit is all finished. Now our Deluxe Journaling Kit starts with some patterned papers. And first up, we have these 3 patterned papers that are also included in our planner kit. And these are 13 inches by 8.5 inches, and they are scored and folded. And as you can see, there is a variety of patterns. So you've got like a more geometric, and then a lovely, this just beautiful with the florals and the leaves, and then this one that has all of the labels and tags and vintage inspired items. And all of the artwork from this collection is by Pineapple Pear. Now we also have a couple of more simple patterned papers that are exclusive to this kit, and they are perfect for layering. And you can see on the back side there is a couple of lovely patterns as well. There is also a couple of specialty papers that are also exclusive to this kit. And then this gold, or this sort of rose gold foiled vellum paper. And like I said, both of these are exclusive to this Deluxe journaling kit. And then we have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers. These are also found in our journaling kit as well. So you can see this one has some decorative elements and also then the days of the week. And then this one has some decorative elements and then some headers / reminders, and then the month of September. We have a sheet of PET stickers. When you receive yours, they will look like the standard PET stickers. Mine just look a little bit different, and the regular ones did not arrive on time for me to share them with you in this video, but the designs and all of that will be the same. It will just be our traditional PET that you are used to. And those stickers are actually also included in our planner kit. Now we do also have our set of vellum stickers, and these are also included in our journaling kit. And these are all printed on our vellum paper. So first we have this sheet that has this all over design. It's just one large sticker. You could peel it up, use it as it is, or you can add it, like cut it up, or use a die cut, like a steel rule dies, the metal dies, and cut different shapes and things like that. There is a sheet that includes the days of the week. There is a decorative sheet that also has some washi type strips. A sheet that looks like torn edges of paper. Another decorative sheet that has washi type strips, and then a sheet of alphabet stickers. We also have our journaling prompts as well, and these are also included in our journaling kit. We have a stamp set this month, this wildflower block print, and this one is exclusive to this kit, so you will not find it in another one of our kits. All right, then we also have our sticky notepad. How cute is that, with the little teacups and the plants growing in them and the planters, and then the tag shape. All right, so then we also have our die cut stickers, and you will also find these in our planner kit. There is a variety of shapes and sizes included, and we also have a set of tabs in here as well. So you can see there that there are some large patterned tabs. And then last but not least is this lovely roll of washi tape. It's called Gathered Blooms, and it is exclusive to this Deluxe journaling kit, and you will not see it in another one of our kits. So this is the Marigold and Honey Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can see the kit contents, photos, digital renderings, and project ideas on our website. This is the Marigold and Honey Stationery Kit. It's beautiful and rich, and there's just so much depth and beautiful color to this kit. I'm excited to share it with you. All right, so we have 2 specialty papers. We have an acetate sheet with this beautiful pattern. And then we have a vellum sheet that is also just so lovely. Hopefully you can get a good look at that pattern. Isn't that stunning? I absolutely love not only these patterns, but the textures too. They're a really fun addition to projects. All right, then we also have a couple of sheets of stickers. Here is this beautiful one that has all these different florals and leaves. It's just really very lovely. And then we have another sheet that has these watercolor splashes and brush strokes as well. It's just really a lovely mix of different stickers, especially for using them together and for like layering them together too. I think they're really neat. All right, then we also have our postcard. It's on a heavier weight textured paper, like watercolor paper. And then you can see the front is decorative. And then of course the back has room for an address and a stamp as well if you'd like to send this to a lucky someone. We have our sticky notepad. Isn't that beautiful? And then there is also a package of die cut vellum stickers. There is a variety of different sizes and patterns included. So for example, we have this blue paisley and then a smaller medallion, a moon and some stars, a moth, and all you have to do to use these is simply pull the backing off and then stick them directly on your project. There's a little blush butterfly. So you can see that it really ranges in size, and then also there's definitely some of those medallions and then the moths and butterflies, plus then some branches and leaves and florals as well. So just a really good mix of different images and sizes included. Okay, so then we also have 3 sheets of stickers. So the first one is this lovely decorative sticker sheet. And then we have our days of the week. And then there is also a sheet of moths. And is there any butterflies? No, I think they're all moths. So a lot of different options there. So pretty and just really, really versatile, I think. We also have a roll of moth washi tape. And then last but not least, we have a rose gold enamel pin. And you can see on the back it has the little pin. So this is the Marigold and Honey Stationery Kit. And if you'd like to see photos, digital renderings, or project ideas, you can check that out on our website.